Alright, if the blend feature isn't showing up for you on Instagram, here's what you want to do. First, what is blend? It's basically a special feed Instagram makes just for you and your friend based on stuff you both like. But if it's missing, there's a couple reasons why, so let's fix it. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit a thumbs up. Let's jump right in. You want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. You want to keep updating your app. Well, you know, updated apps cause all kinds of weird bugs, so make sure to update your Instagram. Next step is to check your account type. Blind might not show up if you're using a business account, so you want to go to your profile. Then you can tap the three lines. Now select Settings and Privacy. Then you can go to Account Type and Tools and switch to either a personal or creator account. Easy. Next step is to enable blend in chat. So you want to open a chat with a friend. If you see the blend icon at the top, just tap it and turn it on. But if you don't see it, try sending 5 to 10 reels back and forth with your friend. Sometimes that could trigger it. And the next step is to make sure your friend accepted. You might want to double check your friend actually accepted the blend invite. If they didn't, it's not gonna work. And the next step is try using a VPN. Blend's not available everywhere yet, so if it's not available for you, you can set up a VPN, switch your location to somewhere like the US and check if Blend pops up. And the next step is clear Instagram cache. You want to go into your device settings, then select apps, then search for Instagram, then you can select storage, and right here, you can tap on clear cache. It won't delete your account, just the junk files. Okay, now the next step is to reinstall Instagram. If clearing cache didn't do it, go ahead and uninstall Instagram, then reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store. But if you still had a problem, you can try a different account. You might want to create a new personal account and see if blend shows up there. Sometimes it's just a random account glitch. But if nothing's working, you want to go to Settings, then select Help. Now tap on Report a Problem and pick Report Problem without shaking. Over here you can write a quick message explaining blends is missing and send it in. As we all know, the blend feature is still rolling out, so even if you do everything right, you might just have to wait a little longer. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.